It's been a day and a half since my eye surgery, and I'm coming to see what's going on. I haven't been out in the garden since I got home a day and a half ago. Hi, it's Robbie from Southern California, and as a lot of you know, I've had double cataract surgery. Yes, most people go ahead and do one eye at a time, but due to the animals that we have, I wanted to make sure I'm only gone once and go through this once. So I went ahead and, I've got Gary here to take care of me, did them both. Well, so far so good. We're checking up on him. This is my concern. I didn't get to finish this. She said to wait a month. I think if I work really carefully and slow, not today, I can slowly fill some of these. I haven't made holes in them. That's no pressure. I can do it when the sun is down. And then slowly fill these up. Oh, I have to get my squash planted. I could do it down there because I don't want the zucchini here. I'll have to see because I've got squash seeds. Okay. Oh, they're looking good. Hold on. 1, 2. Okay, a little dry because we've been hot. Look at the cucumbers. Those are flowers. I don't know if I've got one down there that might be a female. Let's look on the other side. Some of it is leaves I threw on the bottom because there were roly-polies in there. There's black tulle on here. You can go back and watch the video. And the roly-polies really do prefer decaying leaves, so I threw some leaves around the bottom there. They'll chew on that and stop chewing on my, oh boy, Korean melon. I put 4 in there. Oh, I better go check my other ones because I only wanted 1 to take. I wanted a cucumber, a watermelon, and 1 Korean melon. We'll have to see. Let's see what it looks like on the other side. Okay, we don't want it to get crunched up. So far so good. We just want it to keep on going. And let's see if we can just hold on what's going on here. I'll leave that. I'm not really worried about that. That's just one of the tendrils. And hopefully now we'll keep going up. Yeah, he's done a good job. He doesn't know what I'm doing. He thinks I'm resting. Oh, you have to rest. Yeah, give me a break. Let's see. I am not bending. I'm not lifting anything. I want to go see my truck bed. I haven't seen the truck bed in 2 days. Oh, it's bright. So what do I see different that I didn't see before? A blue sky. I thought the sky was blue. I see blue the best. Why? Because I guess it was so brown that it dumbed down or mudded down. That's the proper word. Doing good. Is he watering this? It kind of mudded down colors. You know what? I could do better. It's damp. I still might water. I might come out tonight and water a little bit. It mudded down certain colors. So blue was mudded down. Yellow I knew. White I knew I didn't see for a long time. But you know what white is. So your brain tells you it's white. So that's no big deal. Okay, let's see. Well, sometimes, normally... Oh, wow! I did not have a squash 2 days ago. Still damp. I think I can do this later. Okay, my tomatoes look a little sad. I'll have to check the soil there. So your brain tells you what colors are, so you don't really miss anything when you don't see the colors. Let's see. You know what? I'm going to hit this with water. See how it's a little... Even though I know a lot of plants do that, tomatoes don't usually mind not having some water for a while. Dragonflies. Let's see. Watermelon. Looking good. Yeah, I wish. Those are fig leaf gourds. But I did see one the other day, but it was only a flower. I'm not even going to bother looking. When one shows up, I will see it. I can't let it leave the truck bed. Okay, they're looking good. They're looking good. They're taking off everywhere. You know what? I could just... That's why I left some water there. But I think I'm going to turn on the hose and water just a little bit. All in all, everything looks good. He said he was watering. How much damage could be done in just a couple days? Well, it's still 85, almost 90. So there's a tiger swallowtail. So all in all, I think things are going good. Maybe I'll just do one thing for today. So it's been driving me crazy that I have to sit in the house. What bothers me right now, there really is no pain. You know, they say if you feel any pain, any extensive pain, call. I haven't had any pain to talk about. Your eye itches. Here's something if you go through cataract surgery. Now remember, I had both eyes covered in plastic the first day. I found out if it starts to itch and you get to the point where you really want to take the plastic off and itch your eyes, which you're not going to, just get up and walk around. I just got up, walked around, and then that sensation went away. The drops that you have to put in 4 times a day right now, no big deal at all. Nothing. I just put it in, boom. No different than somebody putting in drops for a dry eye. And that's it. Actually, I feel really good. So what is bothering me? I really have to use strong jewelry glasses. I call them jewelry glasses because I kept them for making jewelry years ago, or different artwork that I needed to see, really tiny stuff. And it was $250, $275. That's the only way I can read anything on my phone or my tablet. I haven't even turned on the computer. Even the paperwork, they send you home with paperwork. Read this. Yeah, how? They even tell you can't read. Boy, I'll tell you, I can see every weed and every leaf. And that's one thing I didn't see. When you looked at trees, you didn't realize, the trees got leaves, but you don't see every single detail. And they're not kidding. They tested my eyes the next day. Now, keep in mind, I did have 20/20 vision about 4 years ago. That I'm back to 20/20 vision, but it's going to be reading glasses. So we don't know yet for another month what kind of glasses I'll need. I used to use from the dollar store glasses. But again, the eyes got to adjust. It's only been 3 days. Not even. Well, it's not even 3 days, so I don't even know what I'm talking about. What's today? Oh, 2 days. Oh, I'm ahead of myself. It's only been 2 days. 2 days since the surgery. I'm going into my second day now. I'm thinking 3. You know why? Because I'm going stir crazy in the house. It feels like a week. But all in all, everything's good. And I just wanted to come out and see how he was taken care of. Mainly, I've got more seeds coming up in there. I know what those are. Taking care of some of the tunnel stuff that I planted for the vertical gardening. I couldn't remember because I did not document that. This is some old seeds I had from a sugar baby watermelon that I just threw in a container, and I wasn't sure if they were any good, and I threw them in there. They were good. Are they going to grow? I don't know, but they're growing something right now. I'll leave them right now and see how it goes. I can always pull some up later. I've got so many of them. This is just from my own sugar baby watermelon. But all in all, I'm really happy. The bird garden's no big deal. I can skip that sometimes in watering. It's vegetables that I worry about. And I didn't get to those last 2 totes. Oh, let's see if there's any cucumbers. Because you know how things with gardening, vegetables change in one day? That's why I wanted to see. Gary thinks I'm resting. Okay. No cucumbers yet. Why is this? Oh, it just twisted itself around. Let's help that leaf out. Doing good. Let it crawl up on this. I can take off this sun visor later, but I'm going to leave it right now. My daughter let me know we're having a massive heat wave. So I'm going to wait. This will go up. Let it all go up on the tool. The tool can hold it. That'll be fine. And then when it gets up here, I can string it up with yarn or something. So all in all, that's doing good. And, well, the plant's looking good. I have 3 of them in here. Okay. I think I'm going to hit it with a little water. So, anyways, I'm telling 3 days and it's not 3. That's what Gary said. Yesterday was 1 day, 24 hours. So we're in the second day. That's it. So I just wanted to touch base with you. Everything looks good. Boy, can I see details. Now, what I can't see is my phone screen, like where I'm filming right now or recording. I can't see. It's blurry. I can see it. It's blurry. And that's what they said. I'm going to have to wait and see as the eyes heal how much I'll need for reading. I used to wear reading glasses, and then when the cataracts got bad, I couldn't wear reading glasses anymore. So I managed somehow. So now if I had reading glasses, I could see. That would be really nice. All right. So all in all, I'm happy. You know, if the tomato makes it over the squash, that will be fine. I'll get this. Maybe I'll move this and put it here. I should do that and see if that tomato takes off, and that will be better. So with that, everything's going good. I will keep in touch with you on all that. I'll let you know how the weather's doing. And the hummingbirds, it's kind of odd, but they're coming back. We're not even in August yet. We're in the middle of July, and I'm noticing more and more, and they're not babies. We normally don't get a lot of hummingbirds until September. As the orioles leave, the hummingbirds come in. Oh, I heard a little goldfinch up here. I can hear them. They have a sweet little voice. And they're starting to come in more and more. That's why I had to put gallons of food out when I wasn't going to be here. So that's really something different. I don't know where they're coming from. I know some of you said you haven't had any. Whoa, it's getting windy. Some of you said you haven't had any hummingbirds. Well, they're coming back. So we'll see how many I have in the next few weeks. All right, take care, everybody. And off I go to hit this with some water and get back in the house before Gary comes out screaming. You're good. This is Sugar Baby Watermelon. This is my Korean melon. I gotta get them out soon, but they're all wet, so he's been watering them. And then this is more Sugar Baby Watermelon. I think these are peppers through there, just in case. That one's got holes. That one doesn't, so I have to be very careful with that. Same thing with that. That's all for right now. So he's taking care of them. They're doing good, and I've got them covered, so no birds or anything can get in there and get them. All is good. And then he FaceTimed me, and I told him, look, I'm in the house. I'm doing good. He was down in his tunnel with all his stuff. Look at that. He made a cage for all the extra chayote plants he's got, or fruit, I should say. And, well, we kept losing the connection, but he saw I was in the house, resting my eyes like I'm supposed to.